Hello students, in this video we are going to see CBSE Class 9 Maths NCERT textbook Chapter 1 Number System. In that we are going through the 19th part for this chapter, and we have discussed the examples till example 10, and now we are going to start with the exercise 1.3 in this video. So let's get into the first question. So first question, we are just given different fractions and we are asked to convert it into its decimal form, okay, and we are also asked to find out what kind of decimal expansion it has, okay. So that is what we are going to do in this. So here the question which we are given here, the first question is going to be 36 divided by 100. 36 divided by 100. Actually something like this, it's going to be very easy. So whenever you have the decimal places, if you have two decimal places, you can just put a decimal point before two numbers in the numerator, okay. So if you are going to have 1250 divided by 100, so how many decimal places you have? 2. So how many numbers you have there? 4. So from the last two decimal places you put a decimal, so then it will be what? 12.50, or you can write it as 12.5. So in this way we can very easily write. The other way which you can do is even by dividing. You can also divide these two numbers and then do it. So let's do that method also. So you have 36 and then what do you have is you have 100, okay. So 100 will not go, so you are going to put a 0, okay. When you go, so you will have to put a 0 and then a decimal point. So 100 into 3 will be what? 300, okay. So then you are going to have 0, you are going to have 6. So again you put a 0. So 100 into 6 will be what? 600. Your remainder is 0. So your decimal expansion for 36 by 100 is going to be what? 0.36. Is it clear, children? So now the answer which we have got is what? 0.36. So for the 0.36, what is it now? It is going to be a terminating. It is going to be a terminating decimal, okay. And is it going to be repeating? No, it's not repeating. When you have terminating itself, you need not check for, okay, if you have to be terminating, then for sure it is going to be a rational number only, okay. It's going to be only a rational number. I will tell you once again regarding these numbers. So what do you have? If you have a decimal number, okay, so for a decimal number it will be either terminating or non-terminating. Terminating or non-terminating. So if it is going to be non-terminating, then it can be repeating or non-repeating. Repeating or non-repeating, okay. So when you have these two cases, then it is called a rational number. For these two cases, you can call it to be a irrational number. Is it clear, children? Yes. So now what is the answer we got? We got the answer to be 0.36. It is not all continuating, so it is going to be terminating. If it is terminating, compulsory it is going to be a rational number. Is it clear, children? So what is our answer? Our answer is 0.36. and what kind of decimal expansion? It is going to be a terminating decimal expansion, okay. And you can also call it to be a rational number. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood it better. So why I have gone very much in detail here is because, so the same concept you have to remember, so when you are going to do with the other questions also, okay. So in the same way you can try the other questions also. I will be doing the videos for each and everything in the upcoming videos. Hope you understood this. So see you again in the next video, the next question, children. Thank you, children.